This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to check spirulina quality. First, let's start with a visual inspection. High-quality spirulina should have a deep, dark green color, similar to a rich forest green. Its texture should be a fine, uniform powder, free from any clumps or hard bits. If you notice a dull, brownish, or yellowish tint, or if it looks clumpy, it might indicate poor quality or oxidation. Always aim for that vibrant, consistent green. Next, let's move on to the smell and taste test. Good quality spirulina typically has a fresh, slightly earthy, or mild seaweed-like aroma. If you detect a strong, fishy, or chemical smell, it's a clear sign of low quality or contamination, and you should avoid it. When tasting, a small amount should have a mild, earthy, and slightly nutty flavor, not overwhelmingly bitter or unpleasant. Trust your senses here. Now, let's perform a simple solubility test to check for purity. Take about 1 teaspoon of spirulina powder and mix it into 8 ounces of clear water. High-quality spirulina should disperse fairly easily, creating a uniform, dark green suspension without much effort. If you notice a lot of undissolved particles settling at the bottom, or if the mixture appears gritty and doesn't blend well, it could indicate fillers or impurities. Finally, always consider the source and certifications. Opt for spirulina from reputable manufacturers who are transparent about their sourcing and production processes. Look for third-party certifications, such as organic certification or independent lab tests for heavy metals and contaminants. These certifications provide an extra layer of assurance regarding the product's purity and safety. Always read the product label carefully for ingredient lists and any quality assurances.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.